Welcome. We're going to give you a demonstration of how to log into the new Jumonville healthcare app. One of the easiest ways to be able to find the link is to go to jumonville.org/health, HEALTH. And when you do, you'll come to this web page. And as you scroll down, you'll see the link to be able to click on to be able to get into the application. Once you have reached that application, then each person will have their own unique username, which you shall be given. So go ahead and put in your username. And the first time you log in, you will be logging in with the word password. When you click OK, that will take you to the next screen, which will tell you to please make your own new password. And you'll confirm that same password. And you'll click OK. That will bring you into the healthcare database app that we have. It may take you to another screen first where you'll just see a Jumonville logo. Then it will say Jville. If you see that screen, just click on it and we'll take you right here. You can see we've got two parts of our screen. We have our main profile and insurance, and then we have our meds, restrictions, and history. You'll find on this side is your personal information, and the personal information cannot be changed. That's information coming from our records at Jumonville. But when you get into the physician's name, if you don't have your physician, or if the physician that's listed is the wrong physician, you can simply click on the edit, add in your physician's name, add in the phone number, and click Save. From there, again, you can go back in later if you need to be able to edit that and edit either the phone number or the physician's name. You can simply click the X at the top to be able to close that, or if you made a change, make sure you click the Save. Pastor's information, we're asking you to tell us if it's okay in a severe situation to contact your pastor. So if that's the case, go ahead and you would complete your pastor information here and the phone number for the pastor there as well. You'll see below that any emergency contact information. We do need to be able to know that. Click on that and fill in the emergency contact name, the relationship, a cell number, a home number, and any notes that we need, and then you would do Save. Anytime throughout this, if you're finding you need some help, you can simply go to the top here under the Help menu and click on Help, and it gives you different helps. Now realize from the Help screen, you cannot make any changes. You can't add, those are not clickable buttons. So you can either exit the Help screen by the Exit Help at the bottom of the screen, or back on the top where it says Exit Help. And you'll have the same thing you'll see when you go to the next screen for a meds help. So you have help with both the meds, restrictions and history screen, as well as a profile. So you can go back and forth between those, and when you're done, you can simply exit that. Here's where you would add your insurance, put your insurance carrier, policy number, group number, and then there may be some notes at the bottom. And this will again keep information that we've had before. And once you have this information all completed, and again, we're asking you to tell us whether it's okay to text when you're doing an emergency contact. When you're ready to now add any meds or restrictions or any other history information, you'll simply click on that screen. And here's where you can add any history information to the side. Again, add any information right there. If you've made changes, click Save. We ask you to tell us if you've had your immunizations up to date or exposure to any contagious disease. When you're adding your meds, restrictions or history, if you simply click on the add item, it will give you the categories of an allergy. If you click on the allergy, tell us what the allergy is, a reaction, any treatment. Under medications, if you click on that, you'll see there's an actual list of the medication that you can pick from the drop down. And then the type, the dose, the time, and the reason for the meds. The same thing with dietary restrictions or any physical restrictions that you have. Once that's all been done, go ahead and save. That information will be listed here at the bottom. Any of those can be edited, so you can go into the edit and then make any changes that you need from there. You'll simply click on the edit button, make your changes, and then you're set. If you don't want any of that information and want that to go, you'll go ahead and just click the trash can. That will take you to delete, and that will delete that medication. When you're all finished with this, you'll simply go to the logout up at the top, right-hand side, and then you'll see you have several options. Number one, if the form is completed, simply click on that button. Number two, you want to save the information and finish it later. Let's say you have your insurance, but you didn't know what your group number was. You can go back and edit that later. Or number three is cancel and return to the form. So if I wanted to go right back to the form, I would do that. If I were all complete, I would again go to the logout and hit completed, and it's going to tell me I've been logged out successfully from the Jumonville database. The next time you would go to log in, then you would put in your username and the new password that you created, and you're all set. We have your necessary information, and we're looking forward to your trip to Jumonville. Thanks so much.